Hello and welcome to another update video about Polkadot. I've made one small change here in the chart due to the price action on the weekend. Before that I had the wave 4 up here. I did count this here as an Elliott Wave triangle. Now I'm changing that. I'm counting now all of this. This is an Elliott Wave triangle that you can count as an ABCDE pattern where the wave E is up here. And that we are now starting the wave down in a wave 5 of wave C of wave 2, where we would complete the overall correction down here. That hasn't really changed. What has changed is just the start of the downtrend. The reason is that based on the previous wave count, we should have been in a wave 3. We're coming up way too much for that, and therefore I find it more likely. But I already told you before that I might change it. Now I've decided to do it, and that we are now here in this kind of one that we could have completed now already here, this wave 1 down here, and that this here might be just the wave 2 peak now, and that in this wave 2 we've now obviously seen an ABC, so that's all going nicely here. A, B, C. And what we shouldn't do in this scenario is to move above $10.30, or no, $10.33, 34. So not above this level here. That would be the beginning of the downtrend. So this wave 2 should not move higher. Where are we in this wave 2 at the moment? Let's take a look. So the price in this wave 2 moved all the way up to pretty much $10, $9.95, to the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level. That is for a wave 2 an absolute likely retracement level. It could be that we even test once more the 88.7% Fib level at $10.12. Above that it will get quite unlikely. There is still a wave 2, but really it will only be invalidated above 10.33, 10.34. Now, based on this, it should nearly be finished at wave 2 retracement, and we should see a move down in a wave 3 that should now follow if this wave pattern is playing out. So we expect then a wave 3 down, a wave 4 recovery, and a wave 5 to the downside to complete overall these overall waves here. A wave 5 of a wave C of a wave 2. And yeah, I mean, I gave you here the retracement level. That's all fine. Above 10.33 I would need to reconsider the wave count. Then we'd be in another scenario, but until the market proves me wrong here, I will stay with this scenario. Absolutely valid one. Impulse down, corrective move up. But yeah, the wave down now should start. At the moment there is no evidence really that the wave 2 is already finished. As I said, we could even move up a little bit higher in this wave 2, but shouldn't get above 10.33. But as I said, there is currently no evidence that the wave 2 is already finished. If it is finished, what would be sort of the level I'm watching out for? Well, I think as soon as we drop, and I take these support resistance lines out, but I didn't want to do that. I just need to find the chart again. I think I clicked on something here. So as soon as we break below the previous swing low, which would be here 9.34, I think it's quite likely, in all honesty, that the wave 3 is starting and has started already. But for that we would need to break below the previous swing low, which is here at 9.34. So these two levels are really highly relevant now. To the downside, 9.34, a break below that would, in my opinion, as likely as you can get it, the move to the downside, that the wave 3 has started. A move above 10.34 would trigger an alternative wave count here. That would not be a bullish wave count again. It just would mean that probably this wave 4 here is still extending a little bit longer than I would actually like it to be. Because what we need to remember, every move down, every move up now that is corrective, which would then be followed by another impulse down, that just would extend this overall correction that we are doing here. And I think nobody wants that. So what else? Where would we expect that wave 3 to go? So we can also look at that in the current scenario here. Let's say the wave 2 is already finished. We would need to see the wave 3 to go to the $7.17 level, already indicated here as the first level on that light blue target area here with a blue border. That is for this last wave here really where I expect it to land, then a wave 4 recovery and a wave 5 down in the end, making a lower low compared to that wave 3 and a lower low compared to the wave 3 from the 12th of May. So yeah, and that is currently here my view about Polkadot. I think we are sort of close to the end of the correction, but even in this scenario, it could still drop down all the way before we go back into a sustainable uptrend. It could still go down to $5.60 pretty much, which is the 88.7% Fibonacci retracement level of this overall move to the upside that Polkadot did early in 2021, yeah. And then it's currently retracing here in this wave 2. So that's always what you get, a wave 1 to the upside, a wave 2 to the downside. Here the wave 2 consisted of an ABC pattern and the wave B was overshooting the previous wave 1, which is very difficult, makes it very difficult to detect, but it is a corrective wave. Now, as soon as that correction, that overall correction in a wave 2 is finished, which could end at 560, that's sort of my view. I hope it won't move much lower. Then it could move to the upside here, and if it breaks to new all-time highs, the price target for that next wave to the upside, which would be a wave 3, should be at least $87, probably more, but that would be the 1.618 Fibonacci extension level, and that would be for that wave 3 the minimum target. So, and that is my view here about Polkadot at the moment. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, check out the channel membership. Here you can get access to the Telegram live chat groups, the Discord server, and a weekly live stream. There was one today about the possible 2023 crash that I talked about a few times. So if you're interested in that, you can join the community and watch that live stream. It was a really interesting one. And if you're really interested, maybe also check out the trading course I'm currently offering on morecryptoonline.com. And this week I uploaded quite a bit in terms of the Elliott waves, and next week I'll do even more on Elliott waves. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.